Hey guys, Linda Vater here. It's a beautiful morning in the potager, my ornamental kitchen garden, and I've just finished the first pruning of the boxwood for the season. I think it looks absolutely great. I also think I deserve a reward, and that reward is going to be two of these beautiful baskets that I'm going to put a very special plant in to kind of punctuate the corners of the potager. So come on in. See, I wasn't lying. I just pruned all of this boxwood. I think it looks pretty nice. I love the way its glossy foliage captures the light. And then here is my reward. This is where the baskets are going to go, and this is the very special plant that's going to go inside, Sunshine Ligustrum. It is beautiful. I mean, it looks almost like a glowing lantern, really golden and gorgeous. It just will hold this beautiful yellow color all year long, even in the winter time. And I also especially love it even more, I think, because it can really handle brutal conditions. This is a very tough environment. It gets late in the day, western sun, it's just really hot and very, very bright. But this guy is a tough cookie, and Sunshine Ligustrum is going to really be able to handle whatever the summer can throw at it. I also love it because it lends itself to tight clipping, and I've pruned it into this really beautiful conical form, and I think that geometry will be great against the rounded boxwood. I've already done one. I've got another one to do, so come on over and I'll show you how easy it is. Basically, all you do is you grab your long-bladed pruners. These are the same ones that I used for the boxwood. And then holding them at a 45-degree angle, you just kind of start establishing the point at the top and then work your way down the sides. It's really very easy, just a snip snip here and a snip snip there, and before you know it, you have these beautiful golden cones of sunshine. Sunshine Ligustrum from the Southern Living Plant Collection.